Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ládé.exe. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day themed look because it's the season of love, and my theme colors are going to be red and pink because love colors and that. But yeah, without further ado, let's kick off. So I use the color case. I mix 3 colors to get the color on my eyebrows. And then brush it in. I find that helps when you're coloring your eyebrows if they're like brown or black. Clean it with a wet Q-tip. Went to color case neutrals. Use that shade to clean up my eyebrows even more. Just clean up the top as well. Using the P. Louise base in Rumor 5 as my eyeshadow primer. Just laying it on, blending it in, letting it marry the concealer I used to do my eyebrows, and then setting it with powder. It's if you're a beginner, definitely. Then I'm using the Beauty Bay Fairy and Berry palette, setting down the black to kind of give us that illusion of like sharpness and like a wing. So it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be there. Just blending that out with like a purpley red. Going with a pink shade now to go to like the upper bit, and then using some red eyeshadow for the inner corner of my eyes. Going with a bubblegum pink, and then a lighter pink. I love pink so much. And then just blending everything out. And going with a red shimmer. Is it a Ládé.exe look if there's no shimmer? Then going in my blush lights and angel affluence. Just clean up my under eyes with some Vaseline. Clean that off with a wipe, help to snatch the eyes as well. Then going with some Glam Good Grip primer. Let it dry. Going my curve case and shapeshifter to contour. I'm doing underpainting actually. That's how I've been doing my base like since I discovered it. So yeah, spraying in with skincare spray, blend that into the hairline. Blending on my cheeks as well and on my jaw. The jaw one is optional. Then going in with L'Oreal True Match everywhere that there's no contour. And then blending with a puff. I find that helps it to look more airbrushed and seamless. Mixing Rumor 7 with my foundation, using that as concealer. And then under my eyes, I'm just straight up using Rumor 7 to brighten. Then blending it with Simplify to blend my foundation. Blending my concealer with a powder puff. I sprayed it with skincare spray prior though. Then blending in my red blush. I used Red the Room from Curve Case Deeper. Setting my concealer now with the bronze book. I used a lighter shade for my under eye. Then using some bronzer to attempt to do nose contour. Again, setting my face with my skin color powder. Melting the powders and creams with the skincare spray. Using Fuller Skin Trio to bake. I love this powder so much, it is so blurring. Then doing my lip combo. So it's a red lip liner, black lip liner, pink lipstick. Using blush light and angel affluence as well. Dusting off that bake now. Setting my contour. Trying again to contour my nose. Putting some red blush and then dusting off that bake. Using some pink as well to marry everything together. The cheeks are looking too powdery, so I just put some setting spray on there to kind of bring some life back into them. Brightening with some pink blush. Again, just setting, letting it dry, and then doing my liner, mascara, then going with this Broadwick Beam Gloss. Stunning. Some highlighter. My nose as well. This is the final look. So I'm done with the eyeshadow and the base. I actually really love it. I use some highlighter. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, Yeah, I really love this. I really love the lips, and I'm just going to put myself together and put on some accessories, little razzle dazzle, and I'll be back. I'm going to put this on. That's why my eyebrows were pink, because I wanted to match it to this. I look stunning. Oh my gosh. I've just accessorized, of course, put on some glitter. I went in with this earring. If you want to see like the full get ready with me, and also how I managed to fit this wig on my head, it's on my TikTok. And I also went with this cutie heart necklace because Valentine's Day. And yeah, this is what the look is giving. It's giving Cupid. It's giving Queen of Hearts. We love. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, don't forget to share with your friends and leave a like and comment. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.